there are a few different options to have assurance of power. So there are different options here laid out. So battery backup. From an economic and environmental standpoint, it does make a ton of sense to tie your solar array to the grid. This allows for the usage of very cheap or sometimes free access to energy at night and allows other electrical customers to make use of the excess clean energy during the day. Um, and so if you think about it, that's actually a very efficient system. Then we kind of shift on over to self-consumption mode. This occurs when the loads drawn from the house are present at the same time the solar energy is being produced. This energy is not stored for later use. If there is more power needed for loads more than what the solar can contribute, the excess will be drawn from the utility itself. So again, another nicely balanced mechanism to have on hand, especially when and actually when we need that. So, and kind of following that balance, the time of use mode is a mode that purposely does not draw power during energy peaks, which is a way more, it's way more sustainable for the grid and the environment, as well as economically viable. In general, a good rule of thumb is to understand that the most dirty energy you can purchase is during peak load on the grid. And it's also the most expensive energy that you will be purchasing. So time of use gives you that flexibility. And so all of these functions play into a healthy load distribution. And depending on what your needs are, one of these functions may work better than the other.